Presented by Church Tech U, it's the ProPresenter Show. On today's show, how to do builds on all screens thanks to ProPresenter 7.7. Hi, and welcome again to the ProPresenter Show. This is the show where I help you learn all about ProPresenter. My name's Paul Allen Clifford. If you're excited about having the ability to have a build on all screens for the first time without doing anything unusual, go ahead, give me a thumbs up or leave a comment below. This is one of my favorite new features in ProPresenter 7.7, and it seems kind of obvious in retrospect, but now if you make a build on one screen, it transfers over. So let's head over to my computer and I'll tell you exactly what I mean. So it used to be the case that if you wanted a build to transfer over from one screen to another, you'd have to kind of fake it, do what I call builds the old-fashioned way, and that is you'd have to have separate screens to do the build. So you'd have this version, and then notice how this slide is a different slide, but it looks like it's doing a build. That's the old way of doing it. Before ProPresenter announced this feature, I think it was added in Pro 4. That's how you would have to do it. No longer the case. Now we can do it just simply and easily. So let me show you what I mean. And that does it on that screen. And then if I go back down to my live stream screen down here, it does it there as well. So what's so special about it? Just that you don't have to do anything special. That's just the way it is. So when you create your build, right click, edit slide. This is a build that is by bullet. So what I did was I went in here and I made sure that I changed the transition right here so that gave me some options. I changed from all at once to by bullet. I could have also done by underline because the word earn is underlined, and then chosen the appropriate text box. But now it's very simple to do. You just do it once and it carries over. You don't have to do anything special, and that's something that is awesome in ProPresenter 7.7. If you like this content, I bet you'd like my ProPresenter 7 Quick Start course to help get your people up and running with ProPresenter 7 quickly and easily. And it's free. So head on over to TDM.fyi/Pro7Quick, put in your name and email address, and I'll send you a login. And you can just take that class at your leisure. Until next time, this is Paul Allen Clifford from TrinityDigitalMedia.com and ChurchTechU.com, reminding you to go out and change eternity.